Hey guys, this is Orange Master. It's pretty freaking stormy out here in Canada. Damn, dude. This is in Ontario. Damn, we haven't had something like this before. It's really bright on the screen. Holy crap. But if you look out here, like, legitimately, dude, it's freaking dark. Like, I mean, it's dark. Like, dude. Here, I'm gonna put this down for a second. I might make a part 2 of this, if it cracks, like if something happens or something like that. Like anything happens, like say power outage. Yeah. Come here, guys. Look at this. Listen to that. Oh my God, there's lightning. Dude, the hell. The hell, man, it's so freaking fuzzy. So freaking Did you hear that thunder? I'm closing the goddamn window. Screw that. Screw that. Hey, Pippets. Stay safe. Yeah, you stay safe.
We're supposed to have a tornado tonight.
Hi, Champers. Champers 216. Champers 216. Hey, guys. Yeah, this is kind of bad. I can't go outside. Yeah, I'm just gotta scratch the thing. 1 second. I gotta sharpen my claws. What is going on out there? Holy cow. There's supposed to be a tornado tonight. There's lightning and thunders out there and rains. There's lots of waters. Oh my God. OMG, okay, yeah, we're gonna stay inside. You want me to upload this to your channel too? Yeah, do that for me. Okie dokie. It's gonna be Champers 216 vlogs. Yeah. Number 1. Yeah. Ain't that right, Bibbits? Yeah, we're gonna do that. I'd like to see how it is over here. Yeah, let's see. Oh, dang, it's dark. Holy cow, it is. Okay, well. Yeah, oh God, that was a flash of lightning. Yeah, it was. Okay, well, that was a lot of that's a lot of lightning. Isn't it, Bibbits? Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot of lightning. I want to see more. Dang, dude. Dang, it's so freaking dark out. No joke. On the camera, it's not. Hey, what are you doing? Yeah, you're trapped in there, sucker. No! No! Yep. I don't want to be here in the lightnings. Too bad. Although it is pretty beautiful. Hi, guys. Hi. Say hello, everyone. Hello. Guys and gals. Yeah, so, I don't know what we're gonna do. Do you know what to do, Bibbits? Oh, I know what to do. Stay inside and stay safe, kids. It's a very rainy day. Yeah, it's a pretty, tiring day, too. It's nice out. To you, at least. Yeah, right. Yeah, it kind of sucks out. Yeah, well, to me, I would have a blast out there. Yeah. I wish I kind of was like you. Yeah. Okay, say bye, Bibbits. Bye-bye. Give me kisses. See you later. Bye. Bye. Damn, dude. So freaking bad out. It's beautiful out. I'm going outside with the thunder and lightning, possibly a tornado. If you guys are in here in Canada, you would definitely understand how freaking dark it is right now. If you lived across the street from me, you would understand how dark it is right now. Dude, this is awful. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye.